In the Microsoft Excel, you can enable or prevent showing formulas in the spreadsheet. But while performing these steps won't actually change the value of the cell, it will only allow you to view the formula within the cell. So in displaying formulas within a cell, first you need to launch your Microsoft Excel on your device and open the file you want to view the formula. Then, select the Formulas tab and choose Show Formulas under the Formula Auditing section. Now once you have clicked on it, the cells will expand and will show you the formulas you have in the file. But if you do not see the option, you can reset the toolbar by right-clicking anywhere in the ribbon, select the option Customize Ribbon, then choose the Reset option in the window to reset your customization back to default settings. Additionally, you can also enable this feature using the keyboard shortcut. You can simply hold the Control key on your keyboard, then press the grave accent. If you're not familiar with the grave accent, on most keyboards, it is usually located to the right of the number 1. So that's how you can display formulas within a cell in the Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.